Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by to my channel, well, you are welcome. My subscribers, thank you so much. You are amazing. Thank you for your support. May God reward you, inshallah. Thank you so much. So today I'll be showing you the traditional way I love roasting my groundnuts. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. I already added salt to the water, so now I'm pouring groundnut inside the salt water and I'll stir it and leave it for like 5 minutes so the salt water can penetrate inside the groundnut. After 5 minutes, I use my sieve to sieve the water from the groundnut and I shake it well to remove the excess water. And now I'll be spreading the groundnut into a tray. I'll be using two trays because this is one Congo of groundnut, so it's much. So I'll be using two trays so for the groundnut to dry very well. So this I'm using sun drying method. So if we have oven, you can dry it inside the oven. But here I don't have oven, so I'll be sun drying it. I'm going to dry the granules now, guys. Be right back. So after 30 minutes under the sun, it's time for roasting method. I'll be using my whole frying pan for the roasting. So I pour my garri inside the frying pan and I'll roast it a little bit before I pour in my granules. So I'm pouring my granules now and I'll continue roasting. Roast, 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 roast. And guys, take note of that garri. You know it's white. You see the magic now. Ta-da! Changing in the color of the garri will give you first sign that the groundnut is ready. So I'm transferring the garri and the roasted peanuts from the frying pan to the metal sieve to sieve the garri out from the groundnut. After sieving out the garri from the roasted peanut, so it's time for me to transfer the roasted peanuts from the sieve to a clean tray for it to cool down. So now it's time to roast the second batch of garri. You know we have two batches. One batch is done and this is the second batch. And I'll be following the same process. So guys, these are the two batches of granules that I roasted. So it's time for me to peel. Be right back. Ta-da! So I'm done peeling the granules and that will be the final stage. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!